Okay guys, you're welcome back to KSDT Concept. So here is the true steps on how you're going to link your Colend wallet to your Satoshi app. And what you're going to link there is your core. If you have done your Satoshi before now, you know that you have received your core before or have linked it before. But you are being required to do it again. So you click on your home on your me, then you go to your assets, then you scroll down to Colend. You see deposit withdrawal, so you see link withdrawal address, and this address is core you are going to link here. So you click on that deposit. This is the wallet here. You press in your wallet here. The wallet here is your core wallet. So if you have your MetaMask, you can go to your MetaMask and copy it. If you have your OES, if you don't have your OES, you can use the link below the description of this video to get your OES. Then you register on it on sign up. So but if you have your MetaMask, you can still use it from there, you copy it from there. So let's go to OES, because the one I've linked to my OES is the same in my MetaMask. So let's go to OES now and copy the link from there for us to link. So, and for notes again, that when you are doing this, your asset password, remember that you have to put your asset password for it to go through. Okay, know that. So let's go there to OES to get the core wallet. Okay, so if you have logged in or you have registered on your OES, when you done downloading this app, you are going to see sign up, sign in, import. Import is for if you want to, if you have your MetaMask already, you can go to your MetaMask and copy your phrase or your private key, then come to this place and import it. Whatever thing you have in your MetaMask will appear on this OES using that import method. Then if you don't have it before, you can just click on sign up, then register, put in they will give you, ask you to put 4-digit code. You put it, the first one, repeat it on the second stage, then click on sign up. Then once you've done that, you have your own private key. Then you click on this if you click above here, you are going to see there are different networks here. You see OES mainnet, you see both mainnet, you see core mainnet, you see long test net. So these are different nets and mainnet that are here. So but the one you will need to click at is core mainnet. Once you click at core mainnet, this will show here. You click on your core, then core will appear. Core will be one of the things that you are going to see here. So you click on receive, then you see this code here. You click on this little rectangle, double rectangle, then it will copy. Once it's copy, you now go back to your Satoshi app. Here is Satoshi app. You click the withdrawal wallet, you press it there, then you put in your asset password. So once you click on it, once you put your asset password and click on link wallet, so an email will be sent to the email you use to register your Satoshi app. You get? So when the email is sent, you now go to your email and copy the verification code and put it here. If you click it below here and you click on confirm, it will confirm it and said successful. Once it said that's successful, that means you have properly linked your call to withdraw this airdrop here. You get? Okay, as you can see here, this is the code sent to my email. So you need to, okay, once you have done copying your code from your email, so you are going to get it and paste it on that verification code. Then you click on confirm. Once the things are correct, wow, it said need facial verification. Yeah, Satoshi used to do this. So you need to verify if you are the one that are still manning the account. If it is the person that did that first one, is the same person that is still doing it. So if you bought this account, you can call the person you bought it from to help you do it. If not, they will shut down the account. So once you are done doing the facial verification,
position your face in the frame. 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 Position your face. Position your face in the frame. 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 Wink. Turn your head slowly to the right. 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 Position your face in the frame. Wink. Turn your head slowly to the right. Turn your head slowly to the right. Turn your head slowly to the right. Raise your head slowly. Raise your head slowly. Raise your head slowly.
okay, I hope you see the procedure. So with this, you can use it to link in yours. You click, after that you click on this and you see Colend wallet address linked successfully. So that is the procedure for you to get yours done. Okay, I hope you get it.